Hi. Expert.
Our 2025 Operations Gears and Beers. 10,000
through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched, where its red glare, the bombs bursting in air.
All right, friend. What are the thoughts? Starting off,
See if we make it.
big
Okay.
peloton.
Good. Weather's great. No rain. Wind's manageable.
Yeah.
We'll get me on top of the hill.
I've worked hard.
Let's go.
Woo! From Arizona. Woo! Oh my God.
Man, Dave.
Give me this back. Friend, 1-8 sat down. Coming up to
Dave, hit the bell.
ding ding ding. It's a sheep, friend. Then they put in the thing, remember?
Yeah.
DJ Shatsky.
You got a player? No.
Yes. Oh, I don't know how to, but. Start a video.
It is.
What's up, guys? Here we are at the Trek 100. Stop number 2, the Polka stop. We got a nice bratwurst, pretzel, and a root beer. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. 35 miles in.
Woo! Camera. 36, yeah. Smells like victory.
Here we are. 38 miles in.
I smell the flowers.
It smells like sweet Wisconsin air. Wisconsin. Gonna get us a nice what's it called? More brats, more liney. Get a liney going. Half shot.
Our pellet.
Sure did. you're having fun.
Nice ride through the country.
Nice ride through the country, eh? Up there, dude. Have a liney up there. Have a liney up there, up north there.
Go.
50 in, halfway done. A little relaxation. $70 miles in, what's the thoughts?
I wish I was 70 miles in. I'm tired. Energy's low.
How are you going to pull through? What's the game plan?
I'm gonna take a sit here, rest for 5 more minutes. That's all I got.
Nice. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
We'll be right back. Okay, quick update here. We're riding on Pitts Road.
Tired.
Sole proprietor here, owner of the road. 80 miles in. Fan's looking fresh.
Yeah, something like that.
Feeling fresh, he told me right before I started the video. A little hill action, and then Bowser's meatballs.
Oh.
Hopefully. Some meat and cheese, that's what I'm looking forward to. Alright, that's the tune in from Wentz Road. Miles in, less than 1 to go.
Can't finish. Let's go. So ready to be done.
Dialed in, just like the DCC finish, a little uphill and downhill to finish. Let's go.